I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a Wi-Fi tethering battery life test in the Realme X2 Pro device, friends. So from the beginning of the using this Wi-Fi tethering, I started to use more and more. So I started to do a battery backup test on the Wi-Fi tethering feature. So how much the battery will be dropped during this time. So if you're first time watching this video, friends, subscribe to my channel and do check the links in description also for the playlist of other smartphones, so you can find various smartphone playlist. So even the live wallpaper which I'm using currently, you can find the links in description for the wallpaper playlist, so you can find very useful wallpapers and Android applications as well. So it is my recently uploaded videos, friends. So if you are interested, just take a look at those recently uploaded videos. So definitely there will be one of the video will be very useful for you all. So now what I'm going to do is that the people who don't know the what is the Wi-Fi tethering is that, so there is a scenario, friends. For example, if one of your friend came to your home and he wants to know the Wi-Fi password. So if you're not okay to give the Wi-Fi password, then you can, if you are having the Realme X2 or Realme X phones, any Realme phones, so they do have the Wi-Fi tethering option. So where you will manually create your own hotspot by using the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. So in this way you can give your own password to your friends instead of giving actually the Wi-Fi router password. So this will be very secure for the short duration of times. So maybe if your neighbors they want that your Wi-Fi password, then definitely you can use this kind of trick that after they use, definitely you can turn off whenever you want, and later on even when they try to search for the Wi-Fi, they won't get this Wi-Fi because you turned off. So in this way you can avoid all those kind of things. So the room in my place, the Wi-Fi signal is not that good, but in the Realme phones the advantage is that Wi-Fi signal is pretty good in this phone. But few of the other phones, they don't have that Wi-Fi signal, so I used to use occasionally the Wi-Fi tethering from the Realme phones. So in this test I'll try to use the Wi-Fi tethering to connect by connecting the three smartphones. So here I got the Redmi Note 9 Pro, Poco X2 device, friends, Poco X2 and the Realme X2 device. So in the next videos I'll be doing the YouTube battery drain test on all these three smartphones. So what I decided to do is that I decided to connect the Wi-Fi to this Wi-Fi tethering from Realme X2 Pro device. So let's see, friends, how much the battery will be drained in the Realme X2 Pro device if there is continuously if you're using the Wi-Fi. So all these three phones includes the YouTube streaming in the Wi-Fi from 100% to that 0%. So right now you can see, friends, all the phones are 100% at the moment. So I'm trying to keep all the phones to the 100 and start the test. So let me connect to the Wi-Fi network of the Realme X2 Pro and then again I'll be back. So now you can clearly see, your friends, I have connected to the Realme X2 Pro device all the Wi-Fi networks, all the three smartphones at the moment. And here in the Realme X2 Pro device, you can see the battery percentage of 100%, as you can see, friends, clearly. So now what I'll do, I'll try to start the stopwatch in this phone only, and I'll try to disconnect, and I'll just turn off the phone completely, like I'm just turning off the screen only. So there is one SIM card in the phone. So overall, friends, I'll try to keep the phone aside for a couple of hours until the test finishes in all the three smartphones, and then again I'll be try to check how much the battery left in the Realme X2 Pro device. So let me just keep aside, and again I'll be back, friends, after a couple of hours. So if you are interested, watch this video, friends, battery draining from 100% to 0% while watching YouTube. So as you can see, friends, finally in the Realme X2 Pro device. So let me show you as you can see, three devices are connected to the Wi-Fi tethering. So in my YouTube draining test in the three phones, Poco X2, Redmi Note 9 Pro and the Realme X2 device. So I've used the Wi-Fi tethering from the Realme X2 Pro device to check how much is the battery drain. So at the moment the battery percent is of 44%, friends, as you can see, and total time I've used is 11 hours. So which is very good, friends. So just by using the Wi-Fi tethering option from your Realme X2 Pro device, you can easily get more than 20 hours in terms of using the Wi-Fi tethering option, friends. So which will be very helpful for you in terms of using this Wi-Fi tethering option. So thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, Sai Tech Guru, and if you have any queries regarding the smartphone, don't forget to check the playlist, so which contain same kind of battery drain test and other test on the device. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.